Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to get Claude Code coding agent free and unlimited inside your terminal without paying any kind of money. So I'm using this alternative for past 6 months and I haven't paid any kind of money. So once you go to Google, simply type this coding agent, which is open code. So if you type this open code on Google, the very first result which comes, this is their official website, open code. So this is an open source AI coding agent which directly runs inside your terminal, and it's available for Mac, Windows and Linux. It's a cross-platform coding agent. These are the instructions which are given right here to install this. The very simple one, this is the npm I command. So Node.js should be installed. So simply copy this command npm i-c. Simply open your terminal and just execute this command. So this will install open code globally inside your system. I've already installed it. After installing it, just go to the folder in which you need to create the actual coding application. So if I go to the folder and I simply create a directory here, open code projects 2. I go into the directory, simply open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So now I will build out a complete full stack coding application for completely free using this agent. So this is completely free and unlimited. The experience will be the same as Claude Code. And now to start this, it's very simple. You simply type here in the terminal open code. So as soon as you type this, the agent will start and the interface will look something like this. So as you can see, the interface looks something like this. And the very first thing you need to do, you need to select the model. So for this, you simply have the command slash models. As soon as you do this, these are free models which open code provides you. These are completely free and unlimited models. The free model that I use is Mimo version 2.5, which is completely free. So they are offering it for completely free at this moment of time. Simply select the Mimo model and I selected that. That's all that you need to do. And after that, you can ask any kind of message. So as soon as you type the message in the prompt, it will respond to you. And now, whatever application you want to develop, you simply type this in the prompt. So let's suppose I want a build a PDF editor in React with all features and run the app. So I simply entered the prompt here, build a PDF editor in React with all the features and run the app. So as soon as I submit the prompt right here, the agent will try to build out this application. So you can just see right here how it is really fast as compared to Claude Code. So on the left hand side, as you see, it created the folder. So everything is automated. It is actually creating the files. It get access to your terminal. Everything is being created. Now it is installing the libraries for you. So this model that they are offering it for completely free, Mimo version 2.5 free, has a massive context window. So that's why it's really fast AI model. And it's similar to Claude, Opus, Claude, Fable, but this is completely free and unlimited. That's why I'm using it for past 6 months and I decided to make this video. So if you're looking forward for a alternative, free alternative, I will definitely recommend open code. Simply install this and start creating your applications. I'm using this for creating my websites applications for past 6 months, and it's completely free and unlimited. So as you can see, it is creating the files here for you. So once it get completed, it will get a notification that the file application is created. Now you can actually run the application. So you can see it is creating all the necessary files here, the components, everything. So now it will create the app.txs file for you with the PDF editor features. So it has all the features. It get access to your terminal. It executes commands in the background. So I'm just showing you from the ground scratch up how this agent actually creates your application. And if you have an existing application and if you want to add features to it, then also this agent is really powerful. I've created so many applications using this. It's really fast. So you can build any application in any framework, simply type the prompt and then the agent will start preparing the application for you. So it is creating app.tss file. So now as you can see, the file has been created. It is really fast. As you can see, it directly runs in the terminal. It created so much code right here in less time, almost 500 lines of code. So now it is creating the CSS file for you inside the source directory. It will create the style.css. So essentially it's a full stack application. We are creating it. So it doesn't ask, it's completely free and unlimited. So we haven't seen any kind of subscription notice. So at this moment of time, Open Code is offering this model for completely free and unlimited. As you can see the context window as well, we are just using 13%. So once it reaches 100%, automatically it resets to 0% again. So your session will not be ended. You will be able to create unlimited applications. So you can see it created this CSS file for you as well. So React is installed. Now your application has started at localhost 5173. So your CSS file has also started. So let me just open this application localhost 5173 just to see what the agent has created for us. This is your PDF editor. As you can see, it has built it up. You can create, you can just select a PDF document for you. So you can see right here. So this is actually the editor. If you have follow-up questions, you can even ask follow-up questions as well. So you can see it actually also generates a description as well what the tool has created. So now if you want to ask a follow-up question, so you can even ask, I can't, when I select the, it is not rendering it. It is empty, please fix. So if the application contains some mistakes, you can even ask follow-up questions as well to actually fix the problem. So now as you see, the terminal has actually started to fix that mistake and it will fix the code for you. So it's already detected the issue and now it is actually fixing the application. So just wait for it to complete. At this any moment of time, if you want to stop it, you can press the escape key 2 times to actually stop this session. So this is really insane coding agent directly available in the terminal. Simply install Open Code and start developing your applications. It's a really powerful coding agent similar to Claude Code, but it's completely free and unlimited. There is no restrictions to it. You can create unlimited coding applications using this coding agent. Definitely try this. So you can see that it's creating the relevant files and fixing the mistakes. So definitely check this agent out, guys. Open code and start developing your application similar to Claude Code.